Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we are showing you some AUVON TENS massager add-ons. So let's go over a couple things. You can download the user manual, different stuff. So these are just add-ons for your TENS massager, and we're going to show you what they look like. Most of you that are looking this up already know all about the TENS massagers and how they really can help you. So these are just add-ons, extras. These are extra long pads, and of course you already know you stick the pad on your skin, but these are what they look like. This is what you get: 2, 4, 6, 8 extra pads.